Ooh, yeah. Today on Tea Review and 2, we're going to be reviewing the HopLark Sparkling HopTea. This is in the green tea variety. Let's see. Definitely has that kind of, it gives you a beer feeling, like a beer like on tap. It's almost kind of citrus, like kind of citrusy. The ingredients, 3 things in the ingredients: carbonated water, organic green tea, hops. That's it. 60 milligrams of caffeine. And it says on the hoppiness level right here on the side, there's different levels. There's wee bit, kinda, quite, really, and whoa. So this is in the middle of the hoppiness level right here. There's no alcohol, no added sugar, 0 calories, 0 sodium, 0 carbs, 0 completely. Just, yeah. Hop tea is what happens when you brew tea like a craft beer. Do you smell that fruity floral goodness? That's mosaic hops, perfectly complementing our favorite imperial green tea. This light, bright flavor is made for those who do not accept normal and born for their refreshment. And they even mentioned the fruitiness, which I didn't even know about that. I hadn't read that part yet. You do taste and smell some fruitiness with this. You can taste like the top part, when you have it in your mouth, the top part is fizzy. It's not super floral, not super fruity. It's like somewhere in the midst of that. And you got the sparkly part, you've got the hops, so you got a little bitterness. And there were other flavors that they had at Whole Foods, other varieties. They had, of course, the green tea. They call it the green tea one. They had a black tea, a white tea, and a chamomile. So they've had 4 different flavors. I want to check out the other ones because this one is good. Crisp, refreshing, light, a little airy. Definitely have it cold. I've never seen tea and hops together. And so this is very neat. I would recommend check this out I'll put an if in there, if you're open to new different kinds of varieties of teas. If you like beer and you like tea, definitely check it out. If you're super like against anything that tastes or smell like beer, then you may want to stick away from this. It reminds you of it. So like I said, it's not overly in the hops and the beer flavor. It's not overly in the green tea flavor. Nice blend of them both. The green tea is nice, mellow, not super grassy, not super bitter. And that's what I thought with the hops. I thought, oh gosh, this is gonna be, with the green tea, this may bring out some different flavors. This is gonna bring out more bitterness. This is nice. Tea Review at 2, you guys take care.